This is Arts with Amy and Alden.
This week we are rocking out with our good friend Wyatt. That's right, we are celebrating all things that rock.
Today we are going to draw a very iconic image for rocking out, the Fender Stratocaster. One really amazing musician who is well known for his rock jams on the electric guitar was Jimi Hendrix. One time he played a version of the national anthem that was 30 minutes long. He also liked to paint his own guitars, and he used nail polish. So with his rebellious rock ways, he would sometimes take those guitars and smash them on stage or light them on fire. So today we're going to draw the Fender Stratocaster. And you can design it however you want. You could even use nail polish to paint it. Alden, I'm also, you didn't know about this, but I'm gonna try to quiz you when we're drawing parts, and you're gonna try to tell me what it's called.
Okay. I might be able to do this, we'll see.
Okay, so we're gonna start from the top and work our way down. So we're gonna start with this right here. I know on a violin it's called a scroll. What is it called on a guitar?
A headstock.
A headstock. Okay, so let's start with our headstock. I'm just going to start with a little diagonal line at the top. Maybe a little bit longer. Then I'm going to draw a backward C from the top around like this. And now I'm going to draw a diagonal line coming out the other direction, not quite as far down as the other little line. Then I'm gonna make a kind of like it's a curve. It's gonna go over and then curve down. So it's going into the guitar a little bit and then curves down. And the last part to finish off the head stock, I'm gonna curve a line around like this and make it meet to the other side. And if your shape isn't exactly like this shape, no big deal. They can all be kind of a little bit different in shape. Okay, now I'm gonna add these little, they're kind of like screws. What are they called? The little twisty things.
Tuning pen.
Tuning.
Ah, they're called tuning pens. So I'm just gonna draw 6 circles and then 6 little lines coming out from there. The tuning pens. And then the other part of the tuning pens is this little circle that you'll wrap the strings around. So
It's actually tuning pegs.
tuning pegs, not pens. Okay, we got the tuning pegs. We've got the head. I can't remember any of these names. Head block.
I'm here, baby.
And next, I'm gonna guess, but I don't know. Is it the neck?
Yes.
It's neck. Are you ready to move on to the neck, Wyatt? That one's easy to remember. It's like our neck. So we're just gonna go straight down, and I'm gonna go almost a little bit past halfway down my paper. So it's almost like a third maybe. So I'm gonna go straight down on both sides. And actually I'm gonna go a little bit further. There we go. Because the neck extends onto this main part. And then I'm gonna make a little curved line kind of at the bottom. Now we're gonna draw, I wanna call it the body. What is it called, Alden?
It is indeed called the body.
Yeah! Okay, so this is the body of the guitar. And I'm gonna draw mine kind of like what the Fender Stratocaster. Okay, I'm gonna draw mine kind of like the Fender Stratocaster, but you could really make your guitar body whatever shape you want to. They now come in like any kind of shape. So I'm gonna show you this one though. So just from the bottom of the neck, I'm gonna go up just a little bit, and I'm gonna make kind of like a backwards J. And then I'm going to curve around and come down and in. Almost like I'm making, if you were to draw like half of a heart, it's kind of like, whee, like that. And then after you draw that line, I'm gonna go back out like I'm making a big C. Kind of goes down a little bit and then. So on the other side, I'm going to make a little bit more like a U shape that's pretty shallow, like this curve.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go up and around again, kind of like that half of a heart, and come back in. Go good. Whee!
I'm good.
Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing where I'm going to go back out and curve around and then just connect at the bottom. Hopefully I have enough room. There we go. Got it. Okay, now we just have all those like little extra pieces to do. Okay, what are these called, Alden? They're like these little ovals underneath the neck.
I believe those are the pickups. So those are what like picks up the sound and takes it to the amp.
Aha. So there's two ovals and then there's kind of like a diagonal oval. And then one more oval at the bottom, or kind of like a round squarish oval, and that's for the end of the strings to go into. So then there's this like extra piece, that one that's white right here. Does that have a special name, or that's just like a design?
Yeah, it's called a pick guard because it keeps your pick from scratching the paint on your guitar.
Oh, cool. So for the pick guard, we're gonna go up and come down. It's almost like a very long kind of S shape. And then I'm gonna come down to this last oval.
You're really testing my knowledge from when I used to work at a music store.
Well, you're doing pretty well. And then on the other side, it's cool. It kind of follows the same line you made here. So you're gonna go out and get pretty close to the edge of the guitar, but not all the way. And then come back around, something like that. And then there's one more spot right here.
Tremolo hammer, you know, when you're like playing Guitar Hero, when you go like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so that thing can just kind of be like this shape. That's what one of the guitars I was looking at. I think they can come in all different shapes. And then the last thing, which is really tricky to do, and you might not even be able to fit them all in. Like I said, I only got 5 strings on this one before I ran out of room. If you're someone who really wants a straight line and everything to be super perfect, you could use a ruler. And the goal is to have 6 lines inside of here, but my pencil or my marker might be even too thick to do that. So I'm gonna start by drawing lines down here that are kind of diagonal, like that. And then each of those lines needs to go all the way down to the bottom oval. So I'll try to do it with this, but I don't know if I'll be able to fit them. If you don't have a ruler, you could always use like a side of a piece of a paper, or you could use just a book or anything that's straight, or you could just draw your lines, just freehand it. Because look, I'm not even doing that great of a job with the ruler. Oh, how many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. Is it gonna fit? Probably. 6. Yeah. This one's a little funky, but that's okay.
On a real guitar, part of why you have enough room is because the thicker strings, the lower strings, take up more space, but they get littler as you go.
There you go. We've got a very basic guitar. If you want, you can add some frets. Are they called frets?
Yeah.
The little lines that kind of go across here.
They show you where to put your fingers.
Yeah. And then here comes the really fun part. You can design your guitar however you would like. So you could, I did a really nice Arts with Amy and Alden design with our colors. And I also did another one that was like a drippy rainbow.
While you are finishing your beautiful creations, it is now time for us to play Amy versus Alden.
This is the game in which Alden and I go head to head to see who can come up with the best art or music in 30 seconds or less. As always, you can decide for yourself who you think this week's winner is by posting to our Facebook page. And today, our theme, of course, is rock And we're going to ask Wyatt to pick out some awesome rock instruments for us to sing and draw. I will be using my metallic Sharpies because hard rock, metal, metallic, Metallica.
This week, I will be singing and using my magic microphone.
I have the exact same one.
No, you don't!
Oh.
Stop, we're twins!
Oh, cool.
It's pretty fun, isn't it, Wyatt?
Oh, yes, it is.
Why don't I give you some things to say and you say them really awesome in there, okay? Can you say rock on?
Rock on.
Oh, no, come on. Rock on! I live to rock.
Okay, Wyatt, what do you think is like one instrument that is always in a rock band, or maybe like a word that you think is very rock?
I think maybe drums are guitars.
Drums.
Are these microphones?
Ooh, okay, so you have like
Let's go in.
we have 3: drums, guitar, microphone. You want to do those 3?
Yeah, sure.
Perfect.
Are you guys ready to play?
3, 2, 1.
I got a thing for drummers, how the beat shakes up my heart. I got a thing for drummers, so baby show off all them kicks and bang them sticks. Thing for drummers, how the beat shakes up my heart. I got a thing for drummers, so baby show off all them tricks and bang them sticks. Show off all them tricks and bang them sticks.
Oh no, are we done already? I forgot. I didn't get to do my cymbals.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
I had to add Wyatt because he's the drummer. Okay, Wyatt. Who do you think did better? Alden's songs about banging sticks or this lovely drum set?
I have to go with the drum set.
It does look pretty good.
I know how to get votes.
You pandered. Pandering, we'll call it. All right. So now we're going for guitar. Are we going to be specific and say electric guitar?
Ooh, yeah, let's do electric guitar.
Okay, guitar. Are you ready, Amy?
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Okay, who wins?
I'm gonna go with music.
Ooh, music.
Ooh, you like how I tried to make my voice sound like a guitar solo?
Yeah, that's part of it.
Awesome. What do you think next? Mic or bass?
Yeah.
Microphone?
Yeah.
I already have a song in my head.
What's your song? I want to know.
I got 2 tables and a microphone.
I love that song.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. You see, I am the Wonder Mike, and I'd like to say hello to the black, to the white, the red, and the brown, the purple, and yellow. But first, I gotta bang, bang, the boogie to the boogie. Say, I'll jump the boogie to the bang, bang, boogie. Let's rock. You don't stop, grab a rhythm that'll make your body rock. Well, so far you've heard my voice, but I brought 2 friends along. And next on the mic is my man Hanky. Come on, Hank, sing that song. I made it.
I said a hip hop, the hip to the hip to the, I don't know. And they don't stop. That was good. Did you have lyrics in front of you?
No, I actually know like almost the entire rap to that song. It was a weird party trick when I was in high school.
Well, Wyatt, who do you think won that round?
Music.
Yeah, I think so too. That was pretty impressive.
It's funny, none of the songs that I have for the instruments are rock songs. Isn't that kind of weird?
Yeah, but it's
Sorry, you have
some of it that you won was because of how funny it was. That was some of the reason.
I'll take funny points any day.
So we do the bass guitar and we've got our band.
Yeah, we're done.
Here we go. Bass guitar in 3, 2, 1. Boy, you got my heartbeat running away, beating like a drum and it's coming your way. Can you hear that boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, baby? That super bass, boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, baby. That super bass, boom, 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 boom. Can't you hear that boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, baby? Super bass.
Hey, we got a band. This is what I want to do with this picture. I want to take a screenshot of each of us and Wyatt goes here. I'll go here. Alden can somehow go here. Wyatt, who is this week's winner of Amy versus Alden?
Alden.
Oh, nice job, Alden. Pulling it through in the end.
This is my winning dance. Of course, you guys at home can let us know who you think won by leaving a comment on our Facebook page. You can find the link down in the description box below. We'd love to know who you think won or to see pictures of your beautiful guitars from this episode.
Please, please, please remember to give this video a like and to subscribe to our channel. It helps our channel to get out to more people so that more kids like you can enjoy and learn through the power of art and music from home.
Wyatt, you did a super job co-hosting with us this week, and we want to thank you so much for making art and music with us today.
You're welcome.
I did want to mention that we now offer live classes every Wednesday. So if you are interested, go to www.artswithamyandalden.com and there you can sign up for each class so you could come and have fun with us live. Before we go, I just want us to hold up our pictures.
Well, that's all for us this week, friends. Can we all wave and say goodbye? Wait, maybe we should say rock on. Rock on!
Gone!